If Google Drive is showing an error 500, don't panic. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step fix so you can get Drive working again quickly. This is a common server or browser-related issue, and in many cases, you can solve it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced technical skills. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and helpful guides. Alright, let's get started. The first thing to do is refresh Google Drive. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and R to reload the page. Sometimes error 500 is only temporary, and a simple refresh is enough to bring Drive back online. If the page loads normally after that, then the issue was likely just a short glitch. If not, move on to the next step. Next, check whether other Google services are working. Open something like Gmail or Google Docs and see if those pages load properly. If multiple Google services are failing, then the problem may be on Google's side instead of your browser or device. In that case, the best solution may simply be to wait a little while and try again later. Now let's clear your browser cache and cookies, because old stored data can sometimes cause Drive to malfunction. If you're using Google Chrome, open the menu, go to Settings, then click Privacy and Security. From there, choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to clear cookies and cached images and files. Once that's done, restart your browser and go back to Google Drive. This step often fixes loading issues caused by corrupted browser data. If the error is still there, try opening Drive in Incognito Mode. Press Ctrl, Shift and N to open a private window, then sign in and visit Google Drive again. Incognito Mode disables most extensions and uses a cleaner session, which makes it a great way to test whether the problem is being caused by browser add-ons or saved session data. Speaking of extensions, the next step is to temporarily disable anything that might interfere with Google Drive. This includes ad blockers, VPNs, privacy tools, and security extensions. These can sometimes block requests that Drive needs to load properly. Turn them off one by one, then refresh Drive and see if the error goes away. If it does, you'll know one of those extensions was the cause. Another very effective fix is to sign out of your Google account and sign back in. Sometimes your session can become stale or broken, and that can trigger error 500 in Drive. So log out completely, then sign back into your Google account and open Drive again. This refreshes your session and can solve account-related loading problems. If none of that works, try a different browser or even a different network. For example, switch from Chrome to Edge or Firefox, or try using a mobile hotspot instead of your regular Wi-Fi. Sometimes browser conflicts or network filtering can cause Drive errors even when everything else seems normal. Testing a second browser or connection helps narrow down the problem fast, and if you've gone through all of these steps, there's a good chance the issue is temporary or server related. So give it a little time and try again later if needed. The key is to work through each fix in order, because most Google Drive error 500 issues are caused by one of these simple problems. If this video helped you fix Google Drive error 500, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, troubleshooting tips, and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.